looking good here.
All right.
Oh, woo! Go to Cut. See what's going on. Hey, give me a cookie, man. Hey, you be hugging that, bro.
Oh, yeah, come on.
What the? Oh, got his hand freaking cut off with the machine gun. With bullshit. Okay, this is Highway 2. Today's what 10 April? We're on our way down to Cook 2, see what's going on in Cook 2. Oh. See what happened. Everyone is happy. I think that Bad Dad already been secure. So here we go now.
Once it happened, but I remember, you know, like I can't remember if I saw it or somebody told me about it. You know, here are the guys, the SEALs or Special Forces, showing up on the beach in Somalia, and here's a bunch of reporters standing there filming them land on the beach. And I think a friend of mine got a nephew that was a SEAL. Maybe he was telling me about it. But these guys are kind of blown out, like, you know, dude, we're doing a mission here, and here's a bunch of reporters on the beach welcoming us to Somalia. Yeah, it kind of blows your cover a little bit. Anyway,
it's scary for the team that's actually doing the infill. You don't typically plan for that. Maybe sometimes teams do. But we did do an infill when we were invading Haiti back in 93 or something, whenever we invaded Haiti. And we're told, okay, it's just kind of an administrative invasion. We're just going to unload your weapon and just go. We're just going to walk into these villages and kind of, you know, free them. Just kind of announce our presence. Because initially we trained to do an invasion and actually just go in there and whoever gets in our way, shoot to kill type invasion.
Right.
But then Haiti, they backed off and they said no, that we want peaceful. So we still infilled there, but last minute we got, you know, word it's, you know, don't shoot, basically, don't fire. The rules of engagement were, you know, we're not going to kill anybody. We're just go there peacefully and take over. But as we were infilling on our MH-53, I believe, we're on it, and we got, you know, our team leader and the team sergeant have the headphones on. They're like, what? And they're like, lock and load. And we're like, you know, we're kind of like, lock and load. What is going on? We're supposed to be kind of a peaceful infill, and so we go ahead and lock and load. So the only thing we know is, so what we need to do is you go off the helicopter, you run off, you set up this 360
okay,
perimeter.
so I was going to ask you, the MH-53 was a helicopter, not like a landing.
It was a helicopter. Right? And so we get this lock and load. So we go run it. You know, we go out, we do a 360, and the whole, you know, this landing zone was basically, it was an open field. We'd selected, and it was just thousands of people were just storming at us, reporters and everything.
Oh, man.
I mean, that's where they were saying lock and load. They didn't know. They were putting us into, like, basically turned into a hot landing zone, hot DZ. You know?
Wow.
DZ. So the pilots didn't know, so they were just telling us get ready because it could get nasty.
Wow.
So we locked and loaded. We're out there, but you know, we didn't engage anyone. We just, and they were happy, cheerful, smiling.
Sure.
You know, we're hungry, feed us. Type.
You know what we used to say growing up, Chris? It's all fun and games until someone gets poked in the eye. Huh?
Yeah, a few of them almost got poked in the eye on the hot piece of land.
how much push we need to do it now. They got some wire there. This guy over here.